High above Earth's surface, far beyond the breathable atmosphere and the rhythms of daily life, the sun exists as a restless engine of energy. It burns not as a quiet flame, but as a living system of motion, pressure, and magnetic force. Every second, nuclear fusion in its core converts matter into energy, flooding the solar system with light and heat. Yet alongside this life-giving radiation comes something far less gentle, a constant outpouring of charged particles and sudden, violent storms that ripple outward through space. The sun's surface is a place of ceaseless change. Vast loops of magnetized plasma rise and fall like colossal arches, some stretching wider than Earth itself. Dark sunspots appear where magnetic fields grow especially intense, suppressing surface heat and storing enormous energy beneath. These regions are unstable. When magnetic field lines twist too tightly, they snap and reconnect, releasing their energy in explosive bursts known as solar flares. A solar flare is one of the most powerful events in the solar system. In moments, it can release more energy than billions of nuclear bombs combined. Radiation from a flare races outward at the speed of light, reaching Earth in just over 8 minutes. When this radiation arrives, it can ionize the upper atmosphere, disrupt radio communications, and interfere with navigation systems almost instantly. Even more consequential are coronal mass ejections, vast clouds of magnetized plasma hurled into space. These eruptions carry billions of tons of charged particles, expanding as they travel. When a coronal mass ejection is aimed at Earth, it becomes a slow-moving but immensely powerful wave, capable of reshaping Earth's magnetic environment upon impact. Earth is not defenseless. Its magnetic field forms a protective cocoon called the magnetosphere, which deflects much of the incoming solar wind. But during strong solar storms, this shield is compressed, distorted, and flooded with energy. Magnetic field lines stretch far into space, storing energy like a drawn bow, until they snap and release it in powerful surges that cascade through near-Earth space. This energy transfer fuels geomagnetic storms. Charged particles are guided along magnetic field lines toward the poles, where they collide with atoms in the upper atmosphere. The result is the aurora, curtains of light shimmering across polar skies. These displays are breathtaking, but they are also visible signs of a planet under bombardment, absorbing energy from its parent star. In earlier centuries, auroras were curiosities and omens. Today, they are warnings. Modern civilization extends far beyond Earth's surface. Thousands of satellites orbit the planet, forming an invisible web that supports communication, navigation, weather forecasting, scientific observation, and global security. These satellites operate directly within the region affected by solar storms. When space weather intensifies, they are exposed first and often most severely. High-energy particles can penetrate satellite shielding, striking sensitive electronics. Memory bits can flip unexpectedly. Sensors can be blinded by radiation. Control systems may reset or fail entirely. Over time, repeated exposure degrades solar panels and weakens materials. Even well-designed spacecraft age faster under the constant assault of the sun. Solar storms also change the physical structure of Earth's upper atmosphere. As it absorbs energy, it heats and expands, reaching higher into space. This expanded atmosphere increases drag on satellites in low Earth orbit, slowing them down and altering their paths. Orbits that were once stable begin to decay. Without correction, satellites can drift, collide, or re-enter the atmosphere prematurely. Tracking these changes is a constant challenge. During intense solar activity, Satellite operators must calculate adjustments more frequently, sometimes with limited warning. The risk of orbital congestion increases, and debris becomes harder to predict. Space weather turns the near-Earth environment into a shifting, dynamic system rather than a predictable one. Navigation systems feel these effects acutely. Signals from GPS satellites must pass through the ionosphere, a region highly sensitive to solar activity. Solar storms disturb this layer, causing signal delays and distortions. Errors of just a few nanoseconds can translate into meters of positional uncertainty, enough to affect aircraft navigation, precision agriculture, shipping routes, and emergency response operations. On Earth's surface, the influence of solar storms continues. Rapid changes in the magnetic field induce electrical currents in long conductive systems such as power grids, pipelines, and undersea cables. These geomagnetically induced currents can overload transformers, cause voltage instability, and trigger cascading failures. Past storms have plunged entire regions into darkness, demonstrating how deeply connected modern infrastructure is to space weather. The most extreme solar storm on record, the Carrington event of 1859, occurred before the age of satellites and power grids. Telegraph systems caught fire. Auroras were seen near the equator. If a storm of similar magnitude occurred today, the consequences could be global, disrupting communications, navigation, and power on a scale difficult to fully anticipate. To reduce these risks, humanity now watches the sun constantly. Spacecraft positioned between Earth and the sun act as early warning signals, detecting incoming storms hours or days before they arrive. Solar observatories track magnetic activity, sunspot cycles, and eruptions in exquisite detail. This data feeds into space weather models designed to forecast solar storms, much like meteorologists forecast hurricanes. Yet the sun remains a difficult subject. Its magnetic behavior is complex and nonlinear. Two eruptions that appear similar at the surface can have drastically different effects at Earth. The orientation of a storm's magnetic field, something not easily measured until it arrives, can determine whether it glances off Earth's defenses or couples directly with them. As humanity prepares for a future beyond Earth, solar storms become more than an inconvenience. Astronauts traveling to the Moon or Mars will venture beyond the protective reach of Earth's magnetosphere. In deep space, a powerful solar storm can deliver radiation doses dangerous to human health. Future missions must incorporate shielding, shelters, and rapid warning systems to survive the sun's more violent outbursts. Solar storms force a shift in perspective. Space is not a static void. It is an environment with weather, seasons, and hazards. The sun is not merely a background presence. It is an active force shaping technology, exploration, and daily life on Earth. In learning to forecast and endure solar storms, humanity takes a step toward true spacefaring maturity. We acknowledge vulnerability. We adapt designs. We listen more carefully to the rhythms of our star. This is not about conquering space, but learning to coexist with it. Solar storms are the cosmic weather shaping our present and our future. They link a star 150 million kilometers away to satellites overhead, power grids below, and explorers yet to come. They remind us that even in an age of advanced technology, our world remains deeply connected to the forces of the universe, and that survival, both on Earth and beyond it, depends on understanding the restless heart of the sun.